guys, welcome back to Dolly and welcome back to another vlog. And do you notice why do I have my jacket on the second time? Because it's kind of really warm today and really windy. So we're just checking out how is our street is, how the trees falling down and everything. Let's go right into the video. Guys, I am on the zip line. Let's go! Let's go! Zip line! That was cool. That was amazing. When John side? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Bunny, actually, do you know, guys, my brother is on the zip line. Go, Bunny, go! He's going! He's going! So, guys, this is Bunny's first time going on the zip line. Now, on summer, we didn't try it because I was scared to get Bunny hurt. So now it's a fun time. Now he's more bigger. He just passed 2 years. Now he can go on the zip line now. forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and hit the thumbs up. And thanks for watching.